Hello friends, if everything would have been normal, tomorrow you would be appearing for the UPSC Preliminary 2021. As we all know, because of the COVID, the UPSC Preliminary had been postponed to October 10th. So from now, we have roughly 110 days to appear for the preliminary in October. So what we can do in the next 110 days to equip ourselves for the preliminary examination which is coming in October. So friends, those who are comfortable with the prelims, they have been preparing for the mains till now, and I suggest that they should prepare for the mains for the next 1 month too. But those people who are feeling that prelims is tough, prelims is frightening to them, I suggest that they have to start preparing for the preliminary at least from now on. So we have 110 days. So what strategy we should adopt for the next 110 days? In Sadiq IAS Academy, we are having unique 2 programs which will be launching today. The first program is going to be the crash course, which is called Prevision Crash Course. See, this is unlike any other traditional crash course where they used to dump everything in a span of 10 days or 20 days. The Prevision Crash Course will start from the 2nd of July and this will continue till the September 6th. Roughly you will have 60 to 65 classes in this crash course, which is a Prevision Crash Course. Every day 1 hour 15 minutes you will allot, 75 minutes you will allot for us. We will cover all the topics which has been asked in the past 10 years in the conventional areas in the so-called crash course. This crash course is not a conventional crash course in the sense that we are not going to cover all the topic from A to Z. The intention of the crash course is not to complete the syllabus. The intention of this Prevision Crash Course is to make you familiarize with those topics which has been asked in the UPSC examinations repeatedly in the past 10 years. By attending this crash course, we will ensure that 70% of the questions in the UPSC preliminary you can comfortably sail through. That's our intention. The details of the crash course is covered in the slide and you can go through this. Right? The costing of this crash course is placed at 4,500 rupees only. We have reduced 1,000 rupees from 5,500, so we have kept 4,500 only for the 60 plus classes, and the classes will continue from the July 2nd to the September 6th. So let us go to the course number 2, which is going to equip you for the preliminary 2021. See, the course number 2 is the test batch. We call it this Prevision Test Batch. It is again a unique test batch where you have roughly 25 tests. These tests are again based on the past previous year question papers, 10 years question paper we have taken, and each and every topic we have identified, and from those topics, based on our understanding, we have predicted what it is going to be asked in the coming preliminary. So we are going to roughly cover all the topics which has been asked in the past 10 years in the Prevision Test Batch. The Prevision Test Batch is divided into 2 parts. One is the traditional part, which consists of all the traditional topics like history, geography, polity, economy, science, etc. And other part is the current affairs part, which will be dealt separately. The test batch will be conducted twice a week. You will have test batch on Wednesday, you will have test batch on Saturday. On Saturday, general studies, the conventional topics would be covered, and on Wednesday, current affairs test would be covered. The general studies test and the current affairs test will start by 4 p.m. on Wednesday and Saturday. And you will write the test for 1 hour from 4 to 5, then you will upload your answers in the group which we will create for you, and from 5:30 to 6:30 to 7 we will discuss. So the test batch consists of, number 1, you have to solve these questions. We will give a time. Number 2, you have to upload the answers through the sheet which we will be sending to you through WhatsApp. Number 3, you have to sit for the discussion which will continue after the test batch. So these 3 components are very much essential to be a part of this test batch. The test batch is going to be conducted only through online. It is not offline, it is going to be only online. Totally there will be 25 tests. 23 tests would be component test, and last 2 tests would be UPSC All India mock test. The test would consist of 50 questions and the current affairs would consist of 35 questions. The test questions are devised scientifically based on the past 10 years trend. The test batch will have exclusive test for budget, economic survey and geography map based questions. This test is going to be free for the Smart Leaders IAS students who had enrolled for 2020-21 test batch. The Smart Leaders students who have enrolled for the full courses in 2020-21 are also eligible for this free test batch. We will conduct a preliminary elimination technique class on the 1st of July. It is open for all. So attend this class to learn the technique of making a calculated guess and getting your answers correct. And this class is going to help you make 3 questions at least correct in the coming preliminary test batch from the website. And if you take both the courses, the Prevision crash course plus the Prevision test batch, you will be eligible for a discount of 1000 rupees. The total cost of the Prevision crash course and the Prevision test batch would be 7000 rupees, and you will be eligible for a discount of 1000 rupees. So total it will cost 6000 rupees. Please make the best use of the crash course and the test batch. All the very best. Thank you.